Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you on how to use the Western Union applications. First, all you need to do is download the applications. And from this interface, all you got to do is to select a specific country where you want to send money. For example, I'm going to choose here onto the China. Select on next. And from here, you can select a specific language, like if you want to go on English or in Mandarin. Go and select on done. And now from this page, we can see here the allow Western Union send notification. Click on allow or don't allow. From here, we can see that there is a permission denied where you need to prefer first onto your settings. Now from here, you can search for a Western Union agent location near the recipient's location and then select on it. And now from this page, all you're going to do is to select a specific location where the recipients will receive the money. Now, if you want to track a specific amount, for example, you are the receiver, click on track button onto the bottom and enter here the MTCN below after they stated you. Like for example, you are the receiver. Enter here the tracking number and then click on track it and you'll be able to see where the amount of money is right now. Now, if you are a sender, select on I am the sender and track here the specific 10-digit tracking number and you'll be able also to track the money that you have sent it to your recipients if it's received or currently onto the process. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.